Hey there, welcome to a new video on our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting problem involving MS-DOS 6.22 and the Debug.exe program. The problem we're facing is related to writing instructions into memory using Debug.exe and encountering a strange error during the process. Now, let's talk about the solution to this intriguing problem. It turns out that the error occurred because the memory address chosen was not the safest option. By using the command without giving an address, you can ensure that you're writing into memory that is set aside for you and avoid overwriting crucial system data. In summary, we learned that overwriting arbitrary memory in MS-DOS 6.22, especially when using Debug.exe, can lead to unexpected behavior due to the shared memory space. By understanding the limitations and best practices for memory manipulation in DOS, we can avoid errors like the one encountered in this scenario. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you found this exploration of MS-DOS 6.22 and Debug.exe insightful and entertaining. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding and keep on exploring the fascinating world of assembly language.